When we choose accessories for ourselves, like these diamond necklaces, we're really choosing reminders of our worth. In the same way, when we accessorize our homes, we're giving ourselves daily affirmations of beauty and care. A chandelier isn't just lighting, it's a crown for your space. It's a quiet reminder that you deserve to live in light, surrounded by things that honor your spirit. As we walk through restoration hardware today, each step reveals how beauty lives not only in what you wear, but in the spaces that hold you. As you move through, notice how light, texture, and stillness come together to create a home that feels like love. One of the softest acts of self-love is choosing to romanticize your life. Let your chandelier be more than a fixture. Let it be the glow that frames your mornings, your dinners, even the quiet evenings where you sit in peace with yourself. When you accessorize your home, you're not merely placing objects. You're weaving a story. Each chandelier, each painting, each plant becomes a chapter, and together they reveal who you are and who you're becoming. And statues, they carry whispers of the past, beauty preserved in stillness, reminding you that strength and grace have always walked before you. They invite you to stand taller, rooted in history, while reaching into your future. Like jewelry completes an outfit, these pieces complete your sanctuary, grounding you in peace, inspiring your spirit, and softly reminding you each day you are timeless, you are strong, you are worthy of beauty past, present, and beyond. Wall decor, statues, and even the presence of a living plant. These are not just accents. They are reflections of your joy, your peace, your softness. Just as jewelry completes an outfit, these pieces remind you that your home too is worthy of love. Refresh your accessories weekly as a form of meditation. Rotate a vase, a pillow, or a piece of art to reflect the rhythm of life's seasons. And keep something you love in your line of sight each morning so your day begins with joy. The Soft Life is a daily choice to honor yourself, to create spaces that feel like peace, and to live surrounded by beauty that loves you back. Every object becomes a quiet love note to your soul. Take a moment with me now. Breathe in deeply and remind yourself, I am worthy of beauty. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of love in every corner of my life. Your home is more than walls and furniture. It's your sanctuary. And when you fill it with beauty, peace, and sparkle, you're not just decorating. You're practicing self-love in its purest form, creating a life that feels like home.